light blue eyes, 160cc for my daughter. And the light blue is my 190cc.
Giving my daughter a head start because I'm going to get speedy here. Miles per hour, really good for my first round on the track. In total, I rate the track 9/10. This is where the GoPro fail comes into play. No damage was done to the GoPro. It's my daughter's turn with the GoPro now that she's warmed up.
I got a little wobbly there. Now I killed it. Dad coming to the rescue. Having a little trouble here, hey. We finally got it.
Numero 4. "29 miles per hour tops for me, but I am a beginner, so I am proud."
total, I rate the track a 9/10 also.
Hey guys, if you loved this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe.